Hello, my name is Jerem Spencer Burl, or Jerem hmm, is my preferred way of being called. Well, that's Jarem, in case anyone was wondering. Um, my major is university studies, and I'm mostly taking this class is to get an associate's degree for or my graphic design for a graphic design thing. I he was I've been living in Mesa, Arizona, for all my life, ever since I was born, literally. Um, Couple of interesting facts. I'm a huge nerd with Pokemon and Transformers, I like to use I like to use action figures and other toys to make web comics. And I hope that this semester or with this class I can learn a thing or two about coding. I'm not exactly the best at coding, but I know a few things. So hopefully this will further extend my understanding classes uh, of the classes coding. And in case it wasn't already apparent, I also have high functioning autism, but which means I have a little bit of a hard time understanding certain things, but I eventually do. So thank you, and hopefully we all have a good semester together. And yeah, thank you, and hopefully this is a good video.